Hi, and welcome to our October edition of the Manufacturing and PEM Industry Newsletter. We're excited to share some incredible opportunities and stories with you. First up, don't miss out on the Autodesk Fusion promo, offering up to 30% discount on a one-year Fusion subscription. This is a perfect chance to supercharge your design and manufacturing processes. But hurry, the offer ends on the 31st of October. Next, we're showcasing two amazing success stories. First up, Bronco Conveyors, a leader in bulk materials handling solutions that transform their business using Autodesk tools. You can read more about how Bronco optimized their workflows in the newsletter. Following on, we've got Logistics Facility Design success story, which highlights how Autodesk tools have helped them streamline design, improving efficiency within their operations. So check out the full story on the link below. We're also offering an exciting training calendar for October and November. This is your last chance to upskill before the year ends. Plus, explore our transformation tools, including eBooks and resources to support your digital transformation journey. Visit our store for more information. Lastly, don't miss the Pinnacle Series Webinar for sign-making members, a hands-on experience with one of our most powerful e-learning portals available. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to take advantage of all these opportunities this month. Let's continue transforming in the way we design and make.